The Dugard 1600 XP vertical machining centre has been updated and now features an increased table load and faster cutting feed rate, as well as an option for a Mitsubishi control. A high-power spindle, through spindle coolant, 36-station tool changer, chip flushing and swarf conveyor, as well as uprated linear ways are all standard features. With X-axis traverse of 1,630mm, Y-axis traverse of 850mm and Z-axis traverse of 815mm. The table size is 1,750 by 800mm and the table load is 3,450 kilograms. The spindle nose to table surface measurement is 100 to 915mm. Spindle speed range is 20 to 12,000 RPM, driven by a 27 kilowatt motor with standard BT40 taper and optional cat flange. Cutting feed rate in all axes is 20 meters a minute, with rapids at an impressive 33 meters a minute in X and Y and 25 meters a minute in Z. The new 1600 XP has a generous 36-station bidirectional twin-arm automatic tool changer. The maximum tool diameter is 65 millimeters. Tool length is 250 millimeters, tool weight is 7 kilograms, and chip-to-chip tool change time is 2.2 seconds. Standard features on the Dugard 16000 XP are 35 bar through spindle coolant, rigid tapping, helical interpolation, swarf conveyor, chip flushing, a high-power coolant system, pneumatic counterbalance head and a full set of pull studs. Control options on the 1600 XP are Fanuc OIMF, Mitsubishi M80, Heidenhain 640 TNC and Siemens 828D. Other options include 4th axis interface with servo board and plug, various 4th axis head options with motor, tailstock and 7 or 9-inch 3-jaw chuck, Renishaw spindle probe and Renishaw setting probe and BT40 tool holders. The Dugard 1600 XP has a high-quality heavy cast-iron construction with fully enclosed guarding. Even with all the enhanced features, we've still managed to keep the price down, giving our customers excellent value for money. For more information, please go to our website, dugard.com.